Question number 6. Now, I would say that this question is definitely one of the hardest questions that you will come across. This one and the next two are three of the hardest ones you'll come across. Which of the following is the simplified form of 2a times 3b times 4a squared plus 3c plus d plus 5c? Now, to start this equation, you're going to want to split it into its parts. And so if you take the equation and you rewrite it down here, 2a times 3b times 4a squared plus 3c plus d plus 5c. You're gonna want to break this up into parts. This here will be your first spot. That will be your next. That will be your next. That will be your next. And the reason it's split like this is because it's split after each addition sign. So we've got an addition sign here, so it splits, an addition sign here, so it splits, an addition sign here, so it splits, and obviously the start and the end. Your next step is to work out the different sections. So we're going to start with this section here first, where we have 2a times 3b times 4a squared. One thing that is easy to start off with is combining the like terms. And by like terms, I mean when the letters are the same. So we've got an A here and an A here. So we're going to do 2 times 4, which will give us 8A, 3B. But one thing you'll notice is that there is a 2 over here, because this is 4A squared. So what you need to do is you need to include it over here. But it is not 8a squared. It is not that. Over here, if there is nothing up here, you assume that there is a 1 there. There's nothing at the top, it will always be 1. And so you do 1 plus 2 to give you 3. And then it is just 8 times 3 to give you 24a cubed b. And now you add the rest of the equation to it, 24a cubed b plus 3c plus d plus 5c. And because these two terms here, the 3c and 5c, are the exact same, because they're both just c to the 1 and c to the 1, you can combine them, but because they are 1s, they don't add together. So that will give you 24a cubed b plus 8c plus d. If you come back up here, you'll see that c is 24a cubed 24a cubed b plus 8c. Oh, it's down here, so 24a cubed b plus 8c plus 8c plus d plus d. So the answer is C. Now, for a bit more of an explanation on the addition of these are called coefficients. I'll give you 3 different practice examples down here. 3a squared plus 2a squared, 6b plus 2b, and 4c squared plus 6c. And now I'll give you 30 seconds to just go ahead and quickly try to work those out for yourself. And if you need more time, just feel free to pause. Alright, time is up. I would like to apologize. I made a mistake. They're not meant to be addition. They're meant to be multiplication. But I will post another video just going over some basic explanations because this isn't the only mistake that I've made so far. To do this, they're both A. Obviously, that's both B, that's both C, so you don't need to worry about them not being the same. 3 times 2 will give you 6A. And then 2 plus 2 will give you 4. 6 times 2 will give you 12b, and because they're both to the power of 1, it is just 6b. 4c squared times 6c will give you 24c. You assume that's a 1, and so that'll give you 24c squared cubed.